Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Percepta's Microsoft Project Desktop App Training Series. In this video, we'll cover how to publish your project and why this step is essential for keeping your team and reporting tools up to date. Publishing a project in Microsoft Project makes your updates visible across the organization. When you publish, you make task assignments visible to team members, update the project center and portfolio views, enable timesheet and progress tracking, feed data into reporting tools, and support better collaboration and communication across teams. In short, publishing is how you share your latest project information with everyone who needs it. It's important to understand the difference between saving and publishing. When you save, your project is stored in the draft database. Only the project owner or users with edit rights can see those changes. It's great for making internal updates or experimenting with your schedule. When you publish, your project is pushed to the published database. This makes task assignments and schedule updates visible to your team members. It's required for task visibility in timesheets, workflow progress tracking, reporting, and dashboards. So think of saving as keeping your work private, and publishing as officially sharing it with the rest of your team. Now, let's go over the steps to publish your project. Once you have completed your edits, click on the File tab. Select Info from the menu. Click Publish. That's it. Microsoft Project will now push your latest updates to the published database, making your changes visible to everyone who needs to see them. And that's how you publish a project in Microsoft Project Desktop app. Remember, save to work privately, publish to share your updates across the organization. Thanks for watching this session of our Microsoft Project Training Series. See you in the next video.